Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could keep it up, passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it not, maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Yeah. Won't stop, yeah. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spots. Other than the family, I gotta see either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep what it's saying. Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it.
Good afternoon, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica. Hi, happy Monday, y'all. Happy rainy, gloomy Monday. Y'all, it is raining here again. It has been raining like crazy here. It feels like it has been raining for like 2 weeks straight, no lie. That's what it feels like. Almost every day it has been raining, almost every day. But yeah, y'all, like I said, today is Monday. Happy Monday. Y'all know on Mondays, Nyla, she goes to therapy. So that's where we're at now. They just took her in. So I'm just about to sit out here and wait for my baby to come out. Normally while she's in there, I go run some errands. But y'all, I have nothing to do for real. So I'm just going to sit out here and wait for my baby to come out. But yeah, y'all, y'all saw this morning I had cleaned out the refrigerator because after Nyla gets out of therapy, I have to go to Walmart and do my weekly grocery pickup, and I wanted my refrigerator to be all nice and clean for my groceries for the week. And yeah, and while I was cleaning out the refrigerator, I had accumulated some trash. So before we came here, I went to the dumpster and dumped that. But yeah, that's what my morning consists of: cleaning out the refrigerator. And of course, Nyla slept in, so I was waiting for her to wake up. And when she woke up, I got her dressed, did her hair, and yeah, now we here, y'all. Y'all all cut up. That's what our Monday morning was. So yeah, I just wanted to come and open up the vlog and say good afternoon. I'm about to sit here and I'm actually recording on Nyla's phone because my phone is almost about to die, so I need to charge up my phone, and then after that, probably watch some vlogs or reply back to some comments. I don't know, y'all. Just chill out until Nyla comes out. But when she comes out, I would definitely pick y'all back. Okay, y'all. Nyla is out of therapy. I got my baby. And I'm actually here parked at Walmart waiting for them to bring my groceries out. But y'all, look what Nyla made in therapy. It's a bracelet with her name on it. Oh goodness, this is too stinking cute. A little bracelet. I know they helped her make it, but it's just so cute. Nyla made this in therapy. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm here at Walmart waiting for them to bring out my groceries. And then after that, while Nyla was in therapy, CVS had texted me and said my prescription is ready. So after I get done with this, I'm gonna go to CVS and pick up my prescription. Then yeah, I'm gonna head on home. It's not raining hard. It's just like drizzling a little bit, but it's still an ugly, nasty day. So yeah, we're gonna head it to the house, and that's where we're gonna be for the rest of the day. But yeah, when I get home, I'll definitely give y'all a haul of what I got. Hi. I need to pick up my prescription. Jessica. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. We are home now. Thank God. I'm going to give you a quick haul of what I got in my pickup. So I got this big old thing of leg quarters. This was actually a substitution. I wanted like the 4-pack of leg quarters, but they gave me this big old thing, which is fine. I'm actually cooking this tonight. We're having barbecue chicken, mac and cheese, and baked beans. So yeah, I got some leg quarters. I got some shrimp. I never had this brand before. This is a substitution as well. I wanted the Great Value extra large shrimp, but they gave me this brand. They gave me medium shrimp. This is not for dinner this week. I'm actually about to cook this for lunch now. Me and Nyla about to have some fried shrimp and fries for lunch. Y'all love fried shrimp and fries. So yeah, I'm going to cook that. Then we're going to have pork chops for dinner this week. We're going to have hamburgers this week for dinner. So I got some hamburger meat. We're going to have hot dogs one day. So I got hot dogs. And I'm going to make some homemade chili with the hot dogs. So I got a small pack of hamburger meat. I got a gallon of milk. I got Nyla's sweet tea. I got this Juicy Juice fruit punch. Some apple juice. I got a thing of flour. But it got a hole in it. So I got it in this bag. Which I'm about to put this in my flour container. So that's fine. Got some Fruit Loops. I got a thing of vegetable oil. I got 2 things of the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce for the barbecue chicken. These Velveeta biscuits that Nyla likes. Some spicy nacho Doritos. Some cinnamon graham crackers. Nyla, she likes these. I got some mac and cheese. I got bacon for breakfast this week. I got this Nor's pasta side creamy chicken. This is going to be for dinner this week, a side for dinner. I got some butter. This was a substitution. I wanted the blue bonnet, but they gave me the parquet, which is fine. I needed some more grits because we was out of grits, so I got grits. I got these ice cream sandwiches. I got some strawberries. I got these Roger Wood sausages. This was a substitution. I just wanted the small bag, but they didn't have it, so they gave me the family size Caesar salad, which is fine. I love me a good Caesar salad, y'all. I got this cake mix because I've been wanting a cake. I'm actually about to make this today for dessert after dinner. So yeah, I got me a cake mix, and then I got the frosting. I got the cream cheese frosting. No, it's saying dad. Miguel not even home. I got some hamburger buns for the hamburgers. I got some hot dog buns for the hot dogs. I got some Oreos. I got lettuce for the hamburgers, tomatoes for the hamburgers. I got these sweet peas. These are the baked beans. And then the corn, a can of corn. This is all for dinner this week. I got some eggs, a dozen eggs. Then I got some seasonings because I was out. This Tony's Satura's Creole seasoning. My complete season. Love this stuff. And then I got a bag of fries. All I got in my Walmart pickup for this week. I forgot the total, but I will have it across the screen for you guys. So yeah, I'm about to put up all these groceries and then cook us late lunch, y'all. It is 3:22. So yeah, definitely a late lunch. But yeah, I'm about to fry that shrimp and cook up some fries. That sounds so good. I am hungry. I am about to smash that. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now, y'all. Ducks came back. Lunch is done, y'all. This looks bomb. Me and Nyla is about to smash. She's hungry, I'm hungry, so yeah, y'all, we are about to eat. This is for both me and Nyla, y'all, not just me. Be careful, Nyla. Y'all, I got the itis. That shrimp and fries was so good, y'all. It was bomb. But that shrimp was interesting, y'all. It might sound crazy, but the shrimp tasted like the ocean. Ooh, excuse me. It tasted like the ocean, y'all. Walmart shrimp, the Great Value, never tastes like that. It tastes like it just got caught and they put it in a bag. It tasted like the ocean. Let me know, have y'all tried that brand before? I showed y'all in my haul the type of shrimp it was. But yeah, y'all, me and Nyla towed that up. And like I said, now I have the itis. But I'm not about to take a, yeah. But I'm not about to go to sleep right now. I'm actually about to go in there and make that cake. Cause y'all, that sounds good right now. I mean, I might have the itis, but a slice of cake sounds good right now after that lunch. But yeah, I'm about to go in there and Nyla over there dancing, y'all. I'm about to go in there and make this cake in a little bit. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to check back in with y'all, tell y'all what's going on. It stopped raining, but it's still like cloudy outside and gloomy. That's why it's so dark in my living room.